Hey fam, Chichi here. Welcome back. Today I am finally getting around to unboxing what I purchased from Blackwood's Trunk Week 2022. I didn't go too crazy with this sale because at the time I knew the spring collection was going to drop and I wanted to, free up some funds for that. So I didn't do too much damage with these bags. But if you are new here, hey, I'm Chichi and I talk about all things lavish but logical. So if that's your sort of thing, go ahead, subscribe, make some friends in the comment section, and don't forget to follow me on TikTok and Instagram. Let's get to it. I just want to shout out everybody who actually watched my Blackwood breakdown for Trunk Week. Yo, I put my heart and soul into that video and, flipped it in like 2 days or something. So thank you guys for even watching that video, because you know what? I really did that video, okay? Thank you to me. For me, that was one of my longest videos and the quickest I've actually flipped a video. So yeah, thank you for watching that. So this is the product of that video. So we have this box. If you're not familiar with Blackwood, these did come in the newer boxes with the foam inserts. This is what the dust bag looks like. And I'm not even gonna hold y'all. I got the green lizard trunk. Wow. Okay, she's nice and textured. The lights are blinding it out, so you don't get the true color, but it's more of this pistachio shade, which I've been in love with. You have this really beautiful B for Brandon or Blackwood, but then even on the sides, I don't know if it's intentional or not, but this area where you have your D-ring, the actual base of it looks like a B too. So I think that is pretty cool. And I do like the fact that the D-rings for the long strap is separate from the actual hardware of the handle. Because which bag was it? I want to say it's the Elizabeth that I just picked up. It's all on the same thing, so it doesn't really, flood my basement. But when it's separate, I do like that. So interior wise, this clasp opens up way easier than my leopard print trunk, which is, do I have it up? Yeah, it's my leopard print trunk. Whoo, that's a struggle to get into sometimes, and your girl got nails. And then on the inside, we have our long strap. There's no interior pockets or anything like that, but you do have a leather piece with Blackwood stamped in. However, it is not foiled. I do prefer something with a little bit of foil, but hey, it's fine. Of course, you have 4 feet at the bottom. So this one was probably like my top pick for a trunk. I've been very, very into green, and I don't foresee that like ending. I feel like green is the new neutral. Like, I just feel like it's so much easier to incorporate shades of green into your wardrobe versus blue, and blue is my favorite color, but it's something about green with tan, green with brown, even though people will side-eye that combo. But when done correctly, it's beautiful. Green and white. It's just, I really, really love it. So this is the newest edition, and I'm really happy to report that at the time when I did purchase this, I wasn't using my original trunk. So I have used it a lot, and now I'm just like, I really get a feel for it. I can't believe I'm saying this. I really love using this as a top handle only. Like, sometimes I won't even use the strap. This is like kind of my going out bag. Like, I know I'm gonna go to a nice dinner. I wanna be all foo-foo-la, bougie, whatever. And this just does it for me, and I absolutely love it. Here is box number 2, and judging by the box, you should already know the size of this trunk. I did go ahead and pick up a mini trunk. Now, I know some of y'all are like, girl, you don't even like mini bags like that. And this is true, but I just needed to buy it to officially rule it out. This thing is plushy. Like, I don't know about y'all, but this feels like a padded mattress. Like, it's just got that bounce to it. I really do like it. But this is the true green color. I have been loving this shade of green. Now, I did purchase this prior to me getting my Jacquemus bag. So, with that being said, I'm not going to undo any of this because more than likely I'm going to sell this, because just looking at it, it's a little too small for my liking. So the thing about the mini bags, they don't open up too much, and then there's no interior pockets or anything like that. So, I mean, it's a little difficult to incorporate. Now, if you're a post up for the gram, you know, foo la, doing the most by doing the least, yeah, this is your type of bag. But I do like my bags to be functional to a point, you know. And yes, I could put my keys and a card holder in here, which is fine. But yeah, I think I'm not a TBE type of girl. I keep trying to like fit in there, and I just gotta give up the ghost. Okay, I'm giving it up, guys. I'm giving it up. But I just want to check out the handle for a second, because even the handle, I don't want to unwrap it. The handle, there is like a middle piece, and it feels like this, like nice and cushiony. So holding it should be really nice in your hand. Like this whole thing, yes, I have foam right here, but it's a nice, good amount of cushion for your hands, so it won't be hurting your hands a little bit. But yeah, I mean, I like it, but I really can't justify having her in my collection. And unfortunately, because this was a whole pre-order situation, I can't return it unless it's damaged, and there's no damage to it, so I can't, you know, get money back. That's the only thing bad about pre-orders. It's like, listen, we made this bag specifically for you, sis. This is yours. Take it. No leaving. So yeah, I mean, I wish I could incorporate this into my wardrobe, but you know, it ain't gonna happen. But if you want to see more of my Brandon Blackwood unboxings, I'm gonna link a couple of videos for your viewing pleasure, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.